Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we are playing the Puffin Parcel Post. So this is a uh, transportation simulation with puffins, so always good there. Let's go ahead and get into a new game right away. The best I've done is 340. Best day is 342 parcels, pretty nice. So the game is very simple in itself. Every pink boxes, pink houses. Yellow boxes, yellow houses. Get some puffins, they connect. Press play. You see the puffins will make their way over there, drop off the stuff in the box. As you get more of these, you get stamps. You'll also get 3 stamps at the end of the day. Each stamp gives you an extra upgrade that you can have, or gives you more points for an upgrade. So we got 16 out of 10. Beautiful. We also got 5 hammers, which is nice. Okay, so you've seen another town got added right over there. We're gonna go with the hammers. That, I think I figured it out. That is probably one of the most important things to do. Puffin speed increase on drop off. Well, that's kind of nice. It makes the puffins go faster. And then we're gonna get the hammers because hammers are extremely important in this game. So we'll put you right there without a problem. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, so we're hitting that town up pretty well. So this one actually connects to everything. That is actually a perfect spot for this. So yeah, we're well over. Love it. And then the hammers, which is good because this will continue to go up every turn. Oof. Oh, there's nothing I can do here. So I can't unlock the birdhouse. I don't have the stamps. I do want to freeze this one because I do want this at a later time. So, I mean, obviously, the only thing I can really do here, connect those together, press play and go. So, yeah, you can see green and yellow. Yellow is here, green is there. So the farther away, it seems like is how you have to kind of manage this. Okay, so now we have some stamps. We have some of that. Let's see what gets added. Okay, nothing different. The birdhouse is now open, so we're gonna unfreeze. We're gonna get that one. Yeah, I don't see anything really good there. But this birdhouse, like I said, if we put it right here, extra puffins. Who doesn't like extra puffins? So let's just go ahead and do this. This should be pretty easy because now I'll have extra puffins delivering all my packages. And then, yeah, we're going to get stamps a lot quicker now, which means you get more upgrades. And you kind of see how the game mechanics work. So, yeah, pretty easy that way. Love it. Okay. And let's see what we get. Yep, Newtown is way over here. Yep, that's what I expected. Okay, okay, so cheaper post offices. That is very nice. It's only 3, so that's an easy one there. Let's see. Birdhouses add 1 puffin to post offices in a range of 2. So now they have 2 ranges, not 1. Like I said, so that birdhouse would cover that building too. So that would give them an extra puffin, which would be nice. I do think I like. So we're gonna freeze the purchase. We'll do that for next time. Okay, so really not much I can do. This one came up here, and we need to connect to it. But at least that's a decent amount of connections, and at some point I can put a little puffin building in there, but we're gonna go ahead and get going. Okay. So we need 35 by the midway, and we're at 42. What generally happens, and what you see is, like, you see the large package, like the middle cities, perfect. These outside cities, not so perfect. That takes a lot long for the delivery. So you start off well, and then you're like, what happened? Oh, just not enough puffins to deliver it. Okay, oh, that's a lovely. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna unfreeze this. We're gonna go ahead and get that one. Effects on birdhouses. Effects from multiple birdhouse adjacent Oh, so multiple burst houses for this one stack. I'm going to go ahead and freeze that because that's kind of nice if I do build secondary birdhouses. But I do need, unfortunately, put something in there. Though I don't have the radio tower, which is kind of the next upgrade I'm looking for. It just has not popped up. And that extends these post offices' range. So a lot of the stuff in the middle, you can put some here, put some here. They have better range, which means that they can get to places a lot easier. And yeah, we're easily up, and I like all the upgrades. Okay. Okay, good, 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 good. Let's see. I don't think anything is going to build that turn. I really do want to find... I want the radio tower. And I'm going to spend money to try to get it because I definitely need that. And oh, come on. There it is. Okay, that one I need next time. That's 9. We have 2 up. We're good. Probably should have done that earlier, but nothing got built, so we should be fine just to let this go out. And yeah, we're well on our way here. Yeah, again, these outside areas just are not getting the coverage, but hopefully those radio towers will help. So we'll have enough to get it. And I will have enough to extend them too. Okay, so they added me another town. That's fine. Okay, so we're going to unfreeze that. We're going to get this radio tower. And what that does is going to extend the range of what I need. So let's go here. So now these places are able to go longer. So now that range doesn't quite cover that post office, but it covers a majority of them. This one covers a majority of them. There's only a couple post offices that are just not. That is a little bit more space. And will the second one work there? Yes, it will. Okay, so that worked out well. I am still going to build another thing there. So let's go ahead. Let's do this. Okay, so how are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? We need about 60. I'm hoping with the extended, this one will. Yeah, there's just so many packages. I mean, the Puffins, they go for the easy ones first. Like, if it's like, oh, this is a simple connection. Purple's here, purple's there, done. Well, we're in good shape. Okay. Good amount of hammers. I like that. Nothing else built. Okay, we also like that. So. Okay, so this is the multiple birdhouses. We likes this. So. Means multiple birdhouses that are connected affect what we have. Though I've put a radio tower there, but oh, this actually does a decent effect. Let's see, I'm trying to figure out. That one covers a lot. That one covers a lot. I'm gonna put it there for the moment, and then we're gonna put one right here too, and we're gonna go play. Okay. Hoping this extra birdhouse is really, like I said, the center taken care of, the outskirts absolutely atrocious. This place is good. You see the other 3 cities, not so much. We're gonna need a little luck with where the city is placed, so we just don't keep having that like long extended kind of run. But yeah, 211 when I need 140. Off to a good start and able to get another post office. Please be somewhere nice. Next post office is cheaper. That's useful. Let's go with that. Okay, so my friend, another radio tower connects everything over here. I could also build something that should take care of everything in this area pretty well. Now, if I demolish any of the buildings at any times, like, I get those build points back. So if I say, oh, I don't need this here anymore, I need to extend it out, like, I can do that. It's great. Sometimes, though, it's not worth it. Like, I have a lot of the infrastructure set up already. So, yeah, it's definitely trying to risk reward. We're still well above 200 with, yeah, 11 days. Beautiful. Okay. And 8's not enough for a new one, but normally one comes every other turn. Okay, so extends the range for the Puffins. Puffins added to the adjacent post office. Yeah, we're gonna go with that one. And then we'll go ahead and play from here. We're gonna go a little bit faster now that we're through this, and you can just see all the points. So that. Okay, so this town is actually being taken care of. This town's being taken care of. This is the only one that there's an issue with. And 247. That is nice. Okay, so this is where we had that one come in there. Yep. Okay. Cannons shoot parcels to nearby buildings. Cannons cannot pick up parcels on their own. Parcels must be delivered to them by other buildings. I'm not sure, you know, we're going to try it. I'm not sure quite what it is, but we're going to give it a try. This place, I need to, two of these would extend it. This, I could go here. I could hit a third if I build a lighthouse. I do want to see this cannon. Like, I want to see how it works. Though it has a good range. Like, let's just put it right here. Why not? Let's see. So it's going to shoot stuff in that area. Let's see how that works. Okay, so, oh. Yep, that's one way to do it. Okay, so cannons. Definitely useful. Though I was still a little close, I am still well over, but yeah, for the cheapness of it, yeah, we can throw some cannons in places. That is fine. Oof. Cannon shoot parcels faster. Radio towers also increase range of adjacent cannons. When delivering a parcel to a cannon, Puffins get a huge speed burst. If I build a lot of cannons, that could be helpful. Let's go ahead and let's do that. Okay, so here's my problem, is that I do not have anything that connects to this town here. Now, I need to figure out if I can take out maybe one of these fine establishments. I mean, yeah. I think a lot of the, like this one and this one both cover that whole area. So I think this one's a little redundant. So we're going to demolish that one. And we're going to build it over here. We're going to build it by the cannon. And then, of course, we're going to build a cannon. Because, yeah, why not? This should... That should deliver a lot of shots to a lot of cities. Let's do it right there. I'm not sure if it's the best spot for it, but I'm okay with it. Start shooting the cannon. And we'll go super speed. Yeah, those cannons are working. All right, how are we looking? This one's a problem. Oh, that was close. But we should have enough for another one of these, so that's kind of nice. So maybe we can take care of that problem here. Ooh, wow. Sniper. As long as there's one cannon built in range its range is tripled. You already have too many cannons. You can demolish. Okay, so if you have one, that gets some super range. Gravity well slowly pulls in parcels from nearby buildings. They need another building to pick up the parcels. I'm going to wait on that one, and I think I like it. That city connects very well, so we're just going to go with that for the moment. So hopefully, like I said, those cannons are working. And it makes it much easier for them to deliver, like, the yellows and purples, so... Oh, yeah, we're gonna be close. Yep. Oh, by 10. By 10. Okay, so nothing should occur this time. We should be fine. Except one did way up there. Okay, let's... I'm curious about the gravity well. Like, can I use it to, like... get stuff from, like, these far away towns and kind of pull everything together? Okay, that town's not connected. That one, I mean, that would stay connected, and that cannon would definitely help get stuff around. You know, I probably don't need this one. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna demolish that one. That one, I think we're okay with. So we'll throw that there. That is a terrible spot, but we'll add some birdies to it for the moment and see how we do. So let's go. Okay. My Puffin cannon. That's hilarious. And I don't think I'm gonna make 280 this time. Nope. 252, not bad. So my personal best is 342. So that is pretty good. I had 34 puffins, 11 towns, 19 buildings, 2,340 deliveries. That's pretty nice. So, like I said, this demo is free on Steam. It came out today. Something I would check out, because this is a fun little game to play, and that's, you know, all some of us are looking for. So thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.